Hi, how are you today? I hope you are doing fine. We are going to draw a lion using the number 53. Let's start. This is 5, and this is 3. 53. Okay, let's connect like this and connect from here. The lion has a long teeth and it's roaring really loud. This is the eyes. The king of the jungle. It has a long hair here. The hair is really big, right? Okay. So from the shoulder, we're drawing the body. This is the back side of the lion, the legs and the back. Another leg. This is the tail. I'm going to draw now. Front leg. Another leg here. The lion standing on the ground. Let's do little detailing and shades here. So the nose is getting visible. This is the eyes. We're putting the shades over the drawing and the drawing getting more interesting. The king of the jungle, lion. Its hair works like the crown, you know, bigger than the head. Let's do detailing on the legs too, front legs. This is the rear leg on the back side. The lion is standing really strong. All right, thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.